Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a daily step goal in the MyFitnessPal calorie counting application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Steps button. If you scroll down, you will find it. And then you can choose a device, so you can use your phone, or you can add the device, or you can also opt for not to track steps. And then you can set a daily step goal. So for example, 5,000, and then just save it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.